What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So the SmallRig came in today for the Sony ZV-1, and one of the main reasons why we wanted to get this SmallRig was so that we can have access to this battery door and be able to get to our SD card without having to remove the tripod or whatever you got screwed in here to the bottom. And another good reason for the SmallRig is so that it can protect the camera, and you can add extra accessories to the SmallRig, whether that be a light, microphones, and other little things like that. So I scooped mine up from eBay. I got mine for about $22.99. It took over a week and some days for it to actually get here. I'm pretty sure they do sell these on Amazon, but I'll make sure I throw a link up in the description. Whether I find it on Amazon too, I'll put both links if I remember to put both, but I will throw a link in there so you can scoop you one of these as well. So what we're gonna do here real quick is just go ahead, we'll unbox this bad boy, we'll slap it on real quick, and then we'll get up out of here, you know, because I did tell you guys previously that any little thing that I get for the Sony ZV-1 to help me, you know, record these videos a little bit better, I will be sharing that with you guys. So right here, I just wanted to show this to you too. This is item number 2938, all right, for the Sony ZV-1. So once you open this up, you're gonna have an Allen key. Let's take this out real quick. So we got an Allen key right here. We all know what these are. And right here, move this box out of the way. We're gonna have the actual cage itself. So this is what it's gonna look like right here. Got some little branding going on right there. You're gonna slide this onto the front of the ZV-1, and then we're gonna screw it down right there. Got a nice little grip. It's metal too. This is metal, so it will protect at least the front of the actual ZV-1. So let's just go ahead and put it on before we start really diving into it real quick. Go ahead and unscrew this as much as I can. And all you do is take this, you slide it over the front of the ZV-1 just like that. And for me, it just snapped into place. And how I know that it's in place is because I know that I can now get to that battery door easily and get to my SD card just like that. And I am good to go. So this is a plus. So then after you get it like that, all you're gonna do is take your little Allen key, put it in right here, and cinch it down. It doesn't have to be like super tight. Just got to get it tight enough. And then once you get that, then you'll be good. See, it's starting to get a little tight right there. I'll probably put it about right there. So it's tight enough. I think that's tight enough. I don't want to go too tight, but I think that's tight enough. And to be honest, it does add a little bit of weight. Actually adds a significant amount of weight to the Sony ZV-1. It actually feels a little bit heavier than normal. But looking around, as you can see, real easy installation. Got some little screw holes here, got two here. You got a few of them right here on the side, right down here, right here, and all down here at the bottom. Like I just showed you, we can now access the battery door, so we can get to the SD card as well. We don't have to remove, you know, we won't have to remove the tripod or anything like that. We could just get right in there and be good to go. It does add a little bit of an extra, you know, little grip right here. So now we got more grip instead of just the typical little small grip. We got a little bit of an extension, so that feels even better in the hands. Right here, we can still open up the battery. We can still open up the flippy screen too and turn it right there, as you can see. So we don't have anything blocking that. On this side, it's open. Right here on this side, all our ports right here, they still work, and you can still open these up. Oh, there we go. Oh, I couldn't get my nail in there for some reason. But you can still access, you know, your ports and stuff right here on the side. I mean, all in all, I think it's a cool little accessory. I think, at least for myself and having younger kids, my youngest is 4. I don't know if you guys ever noticed, but there's like action figures and stuff that be around in my videos sitting on the speakers and stuff like that. That's because my 4-year-old, he loves to sit in here while I record, and you know, sometimes he'll hand me one of his action figures and say, hey, you know, ask me, can I put it there for the video? And I do it all the time. But, you know, for somebody, you know, to have, you know, a small 4-year-old in here with me while I'm recording, this cage is gonna work well for me, just in case he, you know, knocks it over or anything like that. This is gonna give me at least a little bit of protection. But one thing I will say, looking at this and just feeling it in my hand, it does add a significant amount of weight. So if you're somebody who wants to keep, you know, your ZV-1 light and compact, then this is not going to be for you at all. You might just want to go with the L shape where it just comes here and here, just the L shape. You might want to go with that, but then you're going to lose like protection and stuff all around the whole front of the camera. It's just going to be right around the, you know, rim like that. So if you want to go with something like that, then you'll be good to go. But if you don't really care about the weight and you're not going to, you know, I guess complain about the weight that it adds, then this will be perfect for you right here. So anyway, guys, we got the SmallRig cage in for the ZV-1. We now have access to that battery door and that SD card, and I am stoked about it. We got a little bit of extra protection, guys. We got a little bit of an extra grip that we can hold on to, and we also got extra, you know, little screw holes so we can add other accessories. So hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you did find it helpful, you guys know what to do from there. It's been your man Jay, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.